How to get rid of bugs on hibiscus plants. I was just wandering around in my garden that the hibiscus plant caught my eye. I saw some insects roaming inside the plant, for which I started searching. As I researched, I found that those insects were not the only ones which I thought would only attack the plant of hibiscus. There are several other insects too which would likely attack the hibiscus plant. First of all, I will tell you about the hibiscus plant. It is called the group of the flowering plants found in the family of mallow known as Malvaceae. That group of the plant is not just made up of some plants, but there are several different species that are vernacular to the tropical, toasty temperature and for subtropical regions all around the world. Hibiscus plants are also known as the rose mallow, are mainly conspicuous and huge flowers that can be found globally. Cold and hot teas are served all around the world which is made up of hibiscus plants. This tea is known for its items that are inside it, and that is vitamin C having red color and a flavor of tart. There are around 100 species for the hibiscus plants that are seen all over the world. And they all have some kind of specialty which makes them differ from each other. In some countries like Hawaii and Tahiti, girls wear these hibiscus flowers to show their marital status or if they are single. If the girl is wearing hibiscus in her right ear, it is concluded that the girl won't have any boyfriend, neither she is married. Although she is open for relationships and is single. If the girl is wearing hibiscus in her left ear, then she does have a boyfriend and she is a married woman, by which many men don't go after them. This is a type of tradition in Hawaii and Tahiti. After getting to know all of these facts and features of the hibiscus plants, I strive to search more about them, in order to completely erase the existence of insects and bugs from the hibiscus plant. Insects that are most common and can be found everywhere is the melon aphids. It has a size of 6/100 inch with color between green-black to yellowish-green. They mainly feed on the leaves, the rich juice which is filled with nutrients from inside. There are certain measures that should be followed to make your hibiscus plant free from all the insects, and that can be explained as below. Spray on the infiltrated hibiscus plant which has been affected by melon aphids with the full pressure of water from the garden hose to remove them. These melon aphids are very slow-moving insects, so once they are removed from the hibiscus, they will die due to starvation. It is really necessary to check your hibiscus plant daily and water them in order to remove all of those melon aphids. If a spray of water doesn't work, then use the insecticidal soap or rosemary oil and apply on it. While applying the oil or soap, cover the branches' crotches with the coating and don't forget the leaves. Each 10 to 14 days after, repeat these steps until the hibiscus plant is free from the aphids. Buy a package of imidacloprid for treating the soil around the hibiscus which is severely damaged, but do it according to the instructions written on the package. Watering the plant to ensure the after effects of the package. It will take around 3 to 4 days for the aphids which are on the hibiscus to die. Controlling the aphids will help you to control the growth of ants as they feed on the aphids. Other bugs that can be a threat for hibiscus. White flies, they are also most commonly found at the hibiscus plant which has gnat size and is minuscule. Thrips, these are the narrow insects with a very small size. They usually lay their eggs inside the buds of hibiscus, which the buds of the hibiscus to drop down before even flowering. MealyBugs, they are those kinds of pests that usually suck the juice out of the leaves of the hibiscus. Scale, they may either be the soft scale having features like MealyBugs or the armored scale with a covering of like plate and are flat in size. In order to control pests from hibiscus, beneficial insects should be encouraged as they feed on the insects which damage hibiscus. These steps are very beneficial if they are used carefully without disturbing the other plants in your garden. 1. Properly watering the plant and keeping it fertilized. 2. Keeping the area near plants clean and tidy as it helps in healthier growth. 3. Stop or remove the growth of damaged or dead plants. 4. Proper sunlight should be given to these plants.